that says we should make h the subject of the formula given this. Okay, so if you check, we're having h here and h here. So how do we solve this problem? Now the first thing to do is to cross multiply. Do you know why? Because we are having a fraction here, okay? And whenever you are having a fraction in an equation, the best way to get that fraction is to cross multiply. Okay, so let's go. This, if I make this over 1, then I cross multiply. Y times h gives me yh, and then 1 times this gives me wd bracket h minus d over 3. Okay, good. So next we are going to expand the bracket now. Wd times h is wdh. Wd times this will give me wd square over 3. Okay, next, remember we are looking for h, so our aim will be to make the h to come together. So which means I'm going to bring this term here, because it has h, I'll bring it down to the left hand side, so that as it comes here, it becomes minus wdh, so that I'm left with minus wd square over 3. Can you see that? Okay, so now remember h is what we are looking for, so I'm going to factor it out. So if I bring out h from this term, I'm left with y. If I also bring out h from this term, I'm left with wd. So I've factored it out. So I have a wd square over 3. Can you see that? Okay, so to get h now, I'm going to get rid of this term in the bracket by dividing both sides by this same term in the bracket. So to get h, I'm going to say my h is equal to the minus wd square over 3 divided by y minus wd. Okay, so that I can now write this properly as minus wd square over 3. Remember, you can do it this way, divided by y minus wd. Understand? And you also know that this is the same thing as minus wd square over 3 into y minus wd. So this is actually our answer